A house that distills a pleasant aroma for 3 days and 3 nights. Even your neighbors will notice it. After this trick, your home will never have the same smell again. To do this, you will require lemon, preferably of this variety, as it is more acidic and will be optimal for our method. We are going to use the lemon and make 2 cuts. One here, then we will turn the lemon and make another one here. Cross, but do not go all the way, okay? Just enough to open it this way. Repeat this process with 3 lemons, as we are going to make 3 different variations. Once this is done, take a container you have at home and place the lemon cut in the jar. We will repeat the process with the other lemons. We will look for 2 more containers and put them there in the same way. You will see what we will do next. Now we will need coarse salt. We will put it here in each jar. The appropriate amount is enough. Simply pour it in the center of each jar. You can do this with all 3 jars. Then we will use vinegar. We will simply add a tablespoon of alcohol vinegar in each jar. Vinegar is crucial, as it will help neutralize the smell along with coarse salt, creating a really pleasant environment. Once the tablespoon of vinegar is added, the jars are ready to be used. If you like a citrus lemon aroma, you can place it in a room in your home. I like to place it in the bathroom as it provides a very pleasant aroma. For the other jar, I will add softener so that it also has a pleasant aroma. I will simply add half a cup of softener, but you can use whichever you prefer. Finally, I will add nails. In addition to having a pleasant lemon smell, the nails will help to scare away mosquitoes. Now your homemade aromas are ready to be placed in the rooms of your home. Personally, I like to leave the jar with lemon aroma in the bathroom, the softener in the bedroom, and also in the living room. However, you can place them in any room of your home according to your preferences. I am convinced that you will love the result.